I cannot believe my eyes. Oh my gosh!
That's a big boy, brother.
So up there you can see our Airbnb. And here is the other side of the island. Well, a tiny island. And a gas station. And a pigeon. So this is a local park, local birds, and yeah, this is the main high street of the town. So here we are, two foreigners in the middle of the day exploring Sabu Sabu while all of the locals are hiding under trees. Anyway. What do you see, Ruckus? Here for the fish. A local doggy. Yeah, the bus we just passed, the bus driver and other people are just taking a nap. Bus, so hot. I think we need to take some shade over. So we decided to take cover and nap on this beautiful platform. And just what a beautiful sight. Just the papaya growing, casually papaya growing. Look at this. Nice hibiscus. I thought we only need this for rain, but turns out it's perfect shade. Here's the local Mongols. The abundance is just pure magic. Passion fruit, also known as what, Rokas?
Maracuya.
Maracuya. But I guess that's what we get. Look at this grand tree. And actually this is the road. And this is the beach. How have you enjoyed this little beach walk, Rokas?
Wow, it's amazing.
Oh, please. We found a friend.
Very good. You see, we have a puppy friend, and we enjoy this beautiful island.
No rain yet.
Fiji. Yeah, rain is just all around us, but not on us. Bit of sprinkle on us, but so far so good.
We are going to meet some dolphins right now. I cannot believe this is happening. We have passed the drop-off point, what they call it. So the water here is super thousands of meters deep. It's very exciting. Not scary at all. Excited to see the dolphins. It is 10 to 6 and hoping to catch some big fish. Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at these guys! Look at these wonderful creatures! Just swimming with dolphins this morning. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Okay, so what are you doing? You're swimming with dolphins? Look how beautiful these creatures are. Wow! Wow! Wow, look at this. I cannot believe my eyes. Dolphins. Oh, there's so many. Did you hear that?
got it. Everything.
Amazing. So we have made our stop. We swim with some dolphins still around, wanting to play. It's amazing creatures. We heard their clicks. So some tuna has been spotted by the guys, the fishermen.
Same place. To the left.
Really good weather actually. Very nice, very fresh.
You have to work for that. Work it.
Work for what?
Work for the fish. Next one.
Line.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Keep the tension going, man.
It's making you work. That's a big boy, brother. Someone will get tired.
Someone, one or the other.
Ooh, he's not done yet. He's not done yet.
What do you have to say?
First time like this. Big fish.
Nice morning walk back to Edna's place where we are staying. Whew, it's so hot already. 10 a.m. Had a successful fishing trip, and now the not awaited climb up the hill.